Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching my video first time, my name is Meena and I'm professional makeup artist based from UK. So guys, Christmas and holiday soon, so today I'm showing you how to do quick and easy makeup to look glamorous and stunning eye makeup with full face makeup. So easiest way to choose your outfit first and match your makeup with your outfit. So guys, I will show you step by step without delay time. Let's begin. So guys, first I'm going to start with my skincare. First I'm going to apply toner from Forever Living Aloe Vera, rehydrating toner to close any pores. I'm just taking it in my hand. Second product, I'm using serum from Forever Living Aloe Vera again, indefinite firming serum. It has an anti-aging properties formula, or if your skin like a loose skin like my one, it helps to firming your skin. And I'm taking in my hand. Non-greasy and very lightweight. Third product, I'm using Alpha E Factor from Forever Living Aloe Vera again. Smoothing oil for dry and flaky skin. It helps smooth skin. So guys, this is for dry skin. If you got extra dry skin, this is really good. So never forget your neck. Then I'm using eye cream from Clinique Eye Cream, very lightweight, non-greasy, help to reduce black circle eyes, puffiness, anti-aging effects, wrinkles like that. So guys, this is really good products. Next I'm using lip balm from Vaseline Rosy to keep my lips plump and smooth for later on when I'm applying lipstick. So guys, just finish all skincare routine. This is a normal skincare routine. So I'm going to leave my skin 1 to 3 minutes to absorb all products on my skin. So then my skin will be ready for the next makeup. Next I'm doing correcting. So correcting I'm using from MUA Peach Correcting for my uneven skin tone or any pigmentation. So always use correcting accounting to your skin conditions. Then I'm just going to blend with the beauty sponge. So next I'm doing my eye makeup. So I'm going to start from my eyebrow. Then I'm going to use eyebrow comb brush. Going to comb my eyebrow upward. Then eyebrow pencil I'm using from Benefit Go Off Proof Brow Pencil. Then just going to fill sparse areas. The guys, looks the packaging is beautiful, very cute. So guys, this is little bit brown color, not black color. Next I'm going to apply concealer in my eyelid from the Jacqueline. So guys, you can use eyeshadow base. Then I'm using beauty sponge to blend. You can use brush to blend. Next I'm taking loose translucent powder. Then I'm going to apply in my eyelid to set up base and long lasting eyeshadow. Then I'm going to apply the eyeshadow. So guys, I'm going to apply simple and stunning and glamorous eye makeup. So I matched my outfits what I'm going to wear. So I'm going to choose only 3 colors from here. Eyeshadow palette I'm using from Revelation Ultimate Desire. Then you can see is I'm going to use very light color. Then second color match to my outfits. Then I'm going to use dark brown color. So first color I'm taking a light skin color here. So guys, this eye makeup you can create within 3 minutes. Then I'm taking floppy brush. Then just going to apply whole my eyelid and eye crease. So I'm taking little bit amount first, then I'm building up. Then second color, I'm using the dark brown color. Then using a small brush like that. And then just going to apply corner of my eyes to give like a smoky effects. Just create like a V shape here. So always take a little bit amount first, then you can build up. Then taking another small brush, then just blend out. Make sure there is no harsh lines. And third color, I'm taking the shimmer color, beautiful color. Then I'm just going to use my finger and just apply it. You can use the flat angle brush to apply. I'm going to use a small angle brush and just apply the eye cut crease. Next, I'm taking again skin color. Then just blend it out in my eye crease to make sure there is no harsh lines. Then again I'm taking dark color, then I'm going to blend out together, shimmer color and darker color to make sure there is no harsh lines. Next I'm taking same concealer, then taking flat brush, then just going to clean the side edge to look sharp and clean. Then going to blend it out with my finger slowly. Next I'm going to apply mascara from Revolution High Sky. Next I'm going to apply foundation from Maybelline Fit Me Matte 312. This foundation medium to full coverage. Then I'm using Damp Beauty Blender to blend. Just going to blend out. Just dab 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 away. You can use brush as well to blend out. Make sure you blend out properly, otherwise your foundation look cakey. Next I'm using concealer. So concealer I'm using from Jacqueline, Natural to Medium. Then going to use the beauty sponge to blend. Next I'm doing contouring. Contour I'm using from Studio London, Stick Creamy. Then again I'm going to use the beauty sponge, then I'm going to blend that out. Next I'm taking loose translucent powder, then I'm going to apply around my T-zone and around my mouth where I start to sweating and under my eyes to set the concealer. You can use powder puff to apply. Next I'm using baking powder from Murphy Banana Bake. Then I'm going to apply under my eyes first to give extra brightness. Then I'm going to dust off. Next I'm using eye pencil from Revelation. Next I'm taking same color, then just going to apply under my eyelashes, just going to smoke out. Next I'm going to apply blush from Kim Yu's Liquid Cheek Blush. So guys, this is the beautiful blush I have got. That's the new products. So I'm going to use new techniques. I'm going to apply blush and highlighter together. So highlighter I'm using from Revlon Color Stay Endless Glow Highlighter. First I'm going to apply blush in my high cheekbone. Then I'm going to apply highlighter in the middle. So guys, this is a new technique, so I'm going to blend out with my finger. Next, I'm going to apply liquid lipstick from Revelation. Next, I'm going to use makeup setting spray for my long-lasting makeup. Then let it dry. So guys, this is my final look. This is the party look. So you can create very easy way eye makeup like this. 3 minutes. It looks absolutely glamorous and stunning. So guys, you can create this looks very easily. If you create this look, you can post me or you can comment me. So hopefully you guys liked my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then everyone, take care. Bye bye.